Okie dokie, I wanted to get a little video before it got too dark. I've been cleaning a little bit. I don't know if it was that gasket maker or not. But I got the reed valve clean. I took some pictures too, so I'll show you the before and after. Yeah, I don't know if somebody gasket maker seat down in there or what. You see, I made this spacer right here the other day out of my other intake hose. This is where I put the gasket maker on. This is the time she wished she had a GoPro. I hate holding the camera. I'm trying to take a video while I'm working on stuff. See right here, this is that uneven spot I was talking about. That's where the hose came out. But yeah, I put a gasket maker on this. And then right here, I think when I was trying to start it, air seeped through. And maybe some gasket maker got in there. I mean, it's not a lot. And that's not a gunk, by the way. That's just shadow. It looks like a glob or something right there. But it's all smooth. I mean, see, when I assembled it, I used that pink grease. And also used white lithium grease. When I was putting everything together, so all that's in there too. So I think that's a mixture of everything causing the color and all that stuff. But as you can see, it goes smoothly. It's just me turning. Maybe y'all can help me get it started, man, because I'm baffled on I tried all evening yesterday. I got a 105 jet. And like I was wondering earlier, if this is set correctly, maybe y'all can help me. I have spark. I had to switch coils earlier because I wasn't getting spark out of the spark plug. It was shocking my hand when I was touching the hose there. So I don't know. I was wanting to show y'all the gunk. Maybe y'all can help me get it started. Thank you.